What's up, everybody? It's SPC Washington County 322 here. We are 3 minutes away from the required weekly test. And not just that, my county's monthly siren test. I'm gonna open this window so we can hear it. We can hear a 2001 Federal Signal 2001 SRN. And then I have my county's siren frequency going right here, so we're gonna hear the tones. And then yeah, we got my 400 on right there. And some of these radios are on siren mode or voice mode. And then another thing, I am sorry that I have not been uploading recently. I know because I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. My lack of interest in EAS and some other stuff that I won't get into. But I'm
Dispatch for Great Ambulance 3, Station 3,
sorry.
clear and available.
I usually do my best to upload videos when I can on this channel. I do have a railroad channel for when I catch trains that you can also watch. And then I do have a Facebook page as well where I upload some of my best pictures I've got of trains. So yeah, we got 1 minute left. I don't know if my county's gonna test late or not. I know for sure Ramsey County's gonna go on time, but I don't know about my county. We also had a winter storm warning too. I'd actually not be recording this today, but because I have a snow day today, I am. So they closed school for that. So that's just nice. I'm actually glad my school started to care more about that stuff. It's kind of crazy though. Snow in March here in Minnesota. So yeah, I don't know. Is this last snow of the season maybe? I have no idea. And as you can see, we got winter weather advisory. All right, it's 1 o'clock. So they really should do it any second now. Oh, you got the announcement. They're gonna.
Washington County to all county units. We're conducting the monthly test of the severe weather warning system. Time is 1300.
Yep. Okay, they're about to do. Here we go now.
Across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin.
Here we go.
During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests
There
of
they
these
go.
radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming. Weather advisory in effect until 30 p.m. this afternoon.
So you could hear the 2001. They actually did it on time. This is, by the way, this is the first monthly siren test of 2025 for Washington County. There goes Ramsey County. Ramsey County's doing it, I think. Hold on, let me switch to there. Yep, they are. You could hear Hennepin's too. That 508 you're hearing is over in White Bear Lake. That 2001 sounds a little more low pitched. There's White Bear Lake's 508 winding down. They're about to do attack. That's in Ramsey County. Washington County just does alert tone. Yeah, the White Bear Lake sirens are about to wind up again for attack. Oh, yep, and they're turning off the sirens here in Washington County. Still hear more sirens winding down. Well, there we have it, guys. Thanks everyone for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.